Welcome back, friends. As we near the completion of this particular course, we wanted to talk about certain latest developments in data analytics as well. One of the most promising technologies which is going to be very useful in the near future is blockchain. And so when we are talking about data analytics, we also wanted to look at data analytics from the lens of blockchain to understand how blockchain can be utilized to further the cause of our data analytics and our data science projects. But before we look at how blockchain can help in data analytics, let us try and understand what blockchain is in a very high level overview. So blockchain is a system of recording information that makes it difficult for anyone to mutate the data, which means to fraud or change the data like that. The reason why it is done like that is a blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions which is maintained, and the total number of players are so many that it is such that if one person turns out to be fake, if one person tries to mutate the data incorrectly, there would be others who would still be maintaining the sanity, and in which case that one fake would be very easily identifiable, in which case it becomes very difficult and almost next to impossible to make any changes or any fake changes in a particular data set, which is why blockchain is used to improve the trust level in an overall IT landscape. Each block in the chain in a blockchain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs in the blockchain, there is a record of the transaction, the participant, and a particular ID which is unique. And this particular data is actually duplicated across all the members in the network of the blockchain. And because of this vast chain of network players, the overall trust of this data which is being maintained in the ledger is very high. And this is decentralized database managed by multiple partners, managed by multiple participants, is called the distributed ledger technology. And this technology is helping us to understand that, okay, if I am making my decision based on certain data and everything is going to be decided basis the data which I have, I am putting in a lot of trust that the data is right and the data is true. So where do I ensure that that trust can be maintained? What do I do to ensure that yes, if the foundation of my entire data analytics project is the data, there is no issue with the data also? And this is where blockchain comes into picture. When we look at the ways in which blockchain can improve the capabilities of data analytics, we say, and the first thing which I have been focusing on is ensuring trust. So from a data integrity perspective, if you see that the data recorded on the blockchain is trustworthy, as I explained, that there are multiple partners, it is decentralized in the form of a database, and hence it cannot be mutated as such. Preventing malicious activity. So if one person tries to make any changes which is fraudulent in the data, tries to fudge with the data, it is very easy to identify that and rectify that by looking at the actual data or the ground truth of the other blocks of data which is there. At the same time, it also will be helpful to organizations who want real-time data analysis. Organizations which want very real, very quick turnaround of data using this particular blockchain technology of decentralized database, that can also be achieved. And at the same time, because it is decentralized, sharing of that data becomes very easy and effective. These were some of the overall aspects wherein blockchain can be used to help in our data science projects. If I had to summarize the entire aspect in one word, in one phrase, it would be like this, that data science is used for prediction, whereas blockchain is used for data integrity. That is all for today. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.